Hello students, today we discuss about acids and bases of lesson chemistry of 10th class CBSE. Okay, now let's start. Okay, first of all, what is acid? We may generally tell the substance with salt taste. Okay, many substances can be identified by their taste, but all substances, do you taste? No, that answer no. So it cannot be identified by taste. Some acids like H2SO4, HNO3, etc. have very strong action. Okay, so they burn us. But in the view of scientists, based on formulae, they have at least one or more hydroatom. जैसे अकॉर्डिंग टू साइंटिस्ट फार्मूले के उनमें क्या है, एसिड्स में एटलीस्ट वन हाइड्रोएटम होगा ही होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल HCl H2SO4, ओके, व्हेन डिजोल्व्ड इन वाटर गिव्स H पॉजिटिव आयंस, मतलब कि इसमें हाइड्रोजन एटम है सिंगल, देन इट गिव्स H पॉजिटिव आयंस व्हेन डिजोल्व्ड इन वाटर. बट H पॉजिटिव इज नॉट अनस्टेबल, मीन्स नॉट स्टेबल. व्हाई? Because it can exist as a combination with them, so it is unstable. So it is combined molecule as of H2O form H3O positive ions known as hydronium ion. Now an acids may be substance defined as substance which release H positive ions when dissolved in aqueous solution. Okay, जब हम उसे वाटर डिजोल्व करें तो हमें H positive ions देगा, that is called acid. The ions exist as hydronium ions. That ions, hydronium ion, H3 positive. Now types of acid. Some acids are naturally occurring acids, mineral acids like, first of all, naturally occurring acid like citrus acid, lemons, orange, raw mangoes. Okay. Souring of milk due to lactic acid means जैसे दही बनती है आपकी, वो वन टाइप ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड, खट्टापन है जूस का. स्टिंग ऑफ आर्ट्स, जब मैं चींटी काटता हूँ अपनी बॉडी में वो फॉर्मिक एसिड छोड़ रिलीज करती है. एसिड्स प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट्स एनिमल्स नोन एज विच टाइप ऑफ एसिड? ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स. ओके, नाउ मिनरल एसिड्स. इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स obtained फ्रॉम रॉक एंड मिनरल्स लाइक दीज आर ऑल इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स. और मिनरल लाइक सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, नाइट्रिक एसिड एंड phosphoric acid H3PO4. Okay, next. Now here some examples with their formula. Okay, now see here, name, type and formula. Carbonic acid, that is mineral acid, formula H2CO3. Hydrochloric acid, that also mineral acid, HCl. Nitric acid, that also mineral acid, that is HNO3. Sulfuric acid, that is mineral acid, H2SO4. Phosphoric acid, mineral acid, that is H3PO4. Formic acid, that is mineral acid, and formula is HCWH or CH2O2. Here CH2 and O2 we also write. Now acetic acid, we make example organic acids like acetic acid, that organic acid, CH3CWH means C2 H4 and O2 we also write. Lactic acid, also organic acid, CH3CHOHCWH. Okay, now benzoic acid, also organic acid, C6H5CWH. Now organic acid, citric acid, that is C6H8O7. Okay, tartric acid, organic acid, C4H6O, means these formulas are very important. Any formula can be asked from you in exam. Okay, in 1 marks or MCQ, so you may learn seriously and carefully, that is important. Okay, now what are bases? Like acids, we cannot tell any substance is base by touch or by taste by tongue. That means base in bitter taste and soapy touch, means when soap enter mouth during bathing. Washing strong or corrosive action on skin, means साबुन आपकी कड़वी होती, that is base. बिकॉज ऑफ मोर NaOH, अब साबुन की जो strong है, corrosive reaction of skin that due to caustic soda and caustic potash. Okay, caustic soda and caustic potash. Like acid, all bases cannot touch or taste. On the basis formula, all bases have one or more hydroxyl group when dissolved in water, releasing H hydroxyl ions. Hydroxide ions are negative. A base may be defined as a substance which gives OH negative ions when dissolved in water. Means acid gives H positive ions in water and base gives OH negative ions when dissolved in water. Understand? Now next, here some formula bases. Sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda NaOH, potassium hydroxide, caustic potash KOH, calcium hydroxide, slaked lime COH2, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia MgH2. Now some important points in the last. Acids and bases do not show acidic or basic in the absence of water. Means वाटर के एब्सेंस में कोई भी सब्सटेंस एसिडिक और बेसिक नेचर शो नहीं करता. दे कैन नॉट ले एच पॉजिटिव आयंस और OH नेगेटिव इन द मीन्स ना तो वो अगर एसिड एच पॉजिटिव आयंस में देगा और अगर बेस OH नेगेटिव आयंस भी नहीं देगा इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ वाटर. ओके, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. तो स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वीडियो इज अवर एसिड्स एंड बेसिस indicator for testing acid bases. Okay, wait for next video. Okay, stay connected with us. Thanks.